Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY, I'm still under the impression this is the end of an ABC correction. This first move down is like a wave 1. This move up is actually a correction to that move down like a wave 2. And I still think that it is going to end up turning at one of these fib levels. Who knows if it's this one or not, and going down to make a wave 3, 4, and wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. So it's back to the US dollar index. On the weekly time frame is where you can see a nice downtrend right here, which I still think is a 1. I think this is an A, WXY, a B, and this is probably an uptrend for a wave C. We do have a little bit of a turn right at the 61%, but so far I still don't see proof that we have finished the wave 2 and that we really are going down for a wave 3. So let's keep going down to that daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see best the high lows that make up this uptrend. To me, it definitely looks like we may be getting very close to ending this trend. We are extremely close to breaking structure. We have not broken structure yet. Some of the dollar pairs have broken structure though. If this does end up breaking structure to the downside, I think it's going to be the end of this move up, possibly the end of a wave C of 2, and then if that's the case, this will be the beginning of a brand new downtrend, which should be a wave 3 according to the longer time frames. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me, it's definitely starting to look more like a trend. This is definitely a series of lower lows right here, probably a 1. This is a correction to that, probably a 2. And I think that we are actually in a wave 3 right now, which may not even be over. It could even keep going down to eventually make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5, which I think this is all just going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1, which is possibly a wave 1 of wave 3 on the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame for me, I'm definitely not really looking for any longs right now, at least until we get a good significant break of structure. This does have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to it, so I bet now we are going to make a correction, but there's a good chance it's going to make another lower high compared to the beginning of this last correction back here. 3 waves up and pulse it down. ABC up is exactly what I'm looking for to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. I do think that it probably is going to go down and break structure at some point. I do believe that we're still in a wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave 1, like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.